Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UGC लेट पेपर 2023 UN कॉन्फ्रेंस प्लेस और इश्यूज। फिफ्टी एट का बी Balik of 2007 is related to the climate changes. BNR 1993 is related to the human rights. Coro 1994 is related to the population development. Beijing 1995 is related to the woman. B is correct. Book on globalization and authors. B. Is different of the globalizations is related to the Jagdish Bhagwati. The world is that and the globalization world in 21st century is related to the Thomas Friedman. A globalizing world and cultures, economic and politics is related to the David Held. Globalization and is distant is related to the Joseph Tolite. Which is not correct about the G7? G7 is related to the Canada. Canada is not a member of the G7. Which is not correct about the theory of the state by the Aristotle? D. In time and first state and come before individuals, family, villages. Which is not one of the features of best possible state by Aristotle? B. Large size. Which is correct sequence of the cycles of changes of government constitution as given by the Aristotle? D. Monarchy, trarchy, aristocracy, oligarchy and polity, democracy or monarchy. Which is not correct about the Aristotle views and about the private property? A. Like Plato, he also suggested no the private property for ruling class. Type of cases is giving the Aristotle exam. What is explained? B. B is formal cases is related to the forms and essence and which makes it what is it. Material cases is related to the matter from which it is made. Efficient cases is related to the B. What happened from the which it come into being. Final cases is related to the what is its purposes of being. Which is not one of the difference between the Plato and the Aristotle conceptions of justice? D. Plato theory of the justice, unlike Aristotle, does not believe in monarchy and ethics. Who said men and will use the malignity of their spirituals and whenever they have the free opportunity for it? B. Machiavelli. Machiavelli, the prince is other lessons and in the statecraft and for the whom was it written? D. New known hereditary rulers of newly acquired and monarchies. Which is not correct about the lesson in the statecraft and contained in the prince? A. The prince must the maintain and moral and the ethical behavior both in the private and the public to impress upon his subject. Which is not correct about the virtues and enterprises A. The prince should have and the per Machiavelli. C. Rely on the support of the trusted nobles and the aristocrat and then of common pupils. Which not correct about the republicanism of the Machiavelli? C. Maintenance and the protections of the public and state is more difficult than monarchicals and state. Which not correct about the Machiavelli in recommendation for the public? 72. C. Force and power should be the basics of the legitimacy of the rulers. Machiavelli advised the prince as to the pursues. 73. A. Moderate behavior. Which one of the following is not the supporter of the deontological views? C. Machiavelli. Consider as and political thinkers. C. Father of nominative political theory is related to the Plato. Father of the science of the politics is related to the Aristotle. Father of the positivism is related to the Auguste Comte. Father of the modern political thought is related to Machiavelli. Assertions and reasons. Machiavelli stated in other secular state. Machiavelli attributed reason a the place and within the state and not above the state. Choose the correct answer. Both A and R is true and but R is not correct for explanation of A. Which of the political parties and was not formed by the Ambedkar? A. The Dalit Panthon. Which is not correct about the state of the nature as per the Hobbes? D. Men were able to the live and somewhat and peacefully and by their the sense of the reasons and following natural laws, which is not correct about the Hobbes and social contract. B. The third party and the sovereigns is also other party and to the contract. Regarding basic of the political obligation by the Hobbes and which one is incorrect? B. There is no exceptions as to the obeying the lay and the command of the sovereign, which was not one of the ground and for not the obeying the laws and the command of the sovereign as per the Hobbes. C. As per the Hobbes. C. If sovereignty is at stake, which of those are not correct about the natures of the man as per the Locke? D. Despite this, without any political theory and man cannot live in the harmonies and with the other.